In this video, I'll show you how to set up Voicemod for Discord. This is a great way to enhance your voice chats by playing custom sound effects or change your voice in Discord. First, head over to Google and search for Voicemod and click on the first link, which is voicemod.net. Now click on download for free. Now you need to log into an account, create an account for this. I'm going to click Google and I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the download has been started. Now open the downloads folder. Now double click the setup file and click yes here and click OK. Now in here, click next and accept the agreement and click next and next and next and install. This is a simple setup. Once you install, click finish. It will automatically launch the Voicemod application. It will take some time to download the updates and open the application, so wait a little bit. Now once you're here, click get started. Now it will be logged into account. Now click next here. Now you need to select your primary microphone and primary headphone we are using. After that, click on next. Now click start using Voicemod. Now this is the dashboard. You can go into soundboards in the left side. Now here are few soundboard in this account. What you need to do is click on add and you can find lot of soundboard voices and sounds in here, or you can search for any sound or voice, or you can go to community section to find a Voicemod here. Once you're done, click on add and it will automatically come to your soundboard. Now let's see how to integrate with the Discord. What you need to do is open the Discord and click on the settings icon. Scroll down a little bit until you see voice and video. Click on that. Now the input device, you need to select the Voicemod. It should appear here. If you don't see the Voicemod, just restart your PC and you'll be able to see that. After that, you are all set up. Now you can use your Voicemod application to play sounds or change your voice in Discord. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video like this.